Fully revamped for the 2010 model year, the all-new Toyota Prius Hybrid exemplifies efficient transportation without compromising comfort, safety, or style. The gas-electric icon arrives better than ever.
More pronounced in style, but continuing to utilize the previous generation's aerodynamic design, the new Prius provides even more aerodynamic advantage. Both projector beam and LED headlamps are available, and all models include LED taillights. Available 17-inch alloy wheels outfit the top trim level, and the optional glass moonroof includes solar-powered interior ventilation.
Occupants inside are treated to a host of convenience and luxury equipment, including available 8-speaker JBL audio and touchscreen navigation. Leather upholstery may cover the seats and steering wheel, which includes controls for the available dynamic radar cruise control and lane keep assist. The multi-information display includes a hybrid system indicator, and all models include head curtain airbags as well as a driver's knee unit.
Toyota's Hybrid Synergy Drive consists of a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, pairing with a permanent magnet motor for a combined output of 134 horsepower. Combined city and highway fuel economy rates an impressive 50 miles per gallon, thanks in part to a continuously variable transmission and regenerative brakes.
The 2010 Toyota Prius takes an already highly respected nameplate and once again raises the efficiency bar. Welcome to the next generation benchmark.